Hume Health BodyPod vs RENPHO MorphoScan 2026 Guide. In this video, I am going to teach you the differences between the Hume Health BodyPod and the RENPHO MorphoScan, so you can choose the right. Smart Body Composition Scale. Both devices are advanced smart scales that use multi-frequency bioelectrical impedance analysis with 8 electrodes to estimate body composition. They measure much more than just weight, including body fat, muscle mass, water percentage, and other health metrics. The Hume Health BodyPod is designed for users who want deeper health insights. Its companion app focuses on explaining your results, tracking long-term trends, and providing personalized wellness recommendations. It offers over 45 body metrics and a premium coaching experience. The RENPHO MorphoScan is a more budget-friendly option that tracks over 50 body metrics. It focuses on giving you detailed data with an easy-to-use app and supports both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi syncing. It's a great choice if you mainly want to monitor your progress without paying for advanced coaching features. When it comes to measurement accuracy, both devices perform similarly for tracking long-term trends. However, like all consumer smart scales, they estimate body composition rather than measuring it directly. So the numbers should be used to monitor progress over time, rather than treated as exact medical values. If you want the best software experience with guided insights and wellness reports, the Hume Health BodyPod is the better choice. If you want excellent value for money and comprehensive body tracking at a lower price, the RENPHO MorphoScan is the better option. Here's a pro tip. Always weigh yourself at the same time of day, preferably in the morning before eating or drinking, to get the most consistent and reliable trend data. That's it. You now know the key differences between the Hume Health BodyPod and the RENPHO MorphoScan. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.